Komentuhan lang natin itong bagong labas na naman mga kaibigan na issue, no? DepEd's 5.69 billion feeding program plagued with missing milk, moldy Nutribans during Sara's term as Education Secretary. Naku, ano ba to? So, basahin natin mga kaibigan ha. Basahin natin guys. So, nakalagay po dito, COA na amag ng Nutriban, impediment of feeding program under BP Sara. The Commission on Audit COA cited the molded Nutriban, rotting food items, improper packaging of foods, and questionable manufacturing and expiration date of foods under the school-based feeding program of the Department of Education in 2023 under the leadership of Vice President Sara Duterte. In COA's audit report for the year 2023, it is said that 21 schools division offices in different parts of the country experienced delayed or failed to deliver food and milk on time under DepEd's 5.69 billion. Ulitin ko 5.69 billion school-based feeding program. Pests, insects were found inside Karabun, Milkyban, and E-Nutriban squash during the inspection of food commodities, said the state authors in Aurora SDO, the province of the newly appointed Education Secretary Juan Edgardo Angara. So ito po mga kaibigan, in Bulacan SDO, the audit team found out that the sent foods were rotten, not ripe or spoiled. Bulacan and Aurora are both in Region 3, Central Luzon. 1,100 pieces of E-Nutriban delivered from September 2023 to January 2024 were returned to the suppliers for replacement due to the presence of molds and discoloration of the bread. 1 to 2 days before the expiry dates, saad naman ng mga auditors mula sa karanasan ng Misamis Oriental, SDO. The food items bought for Iligan City, SDO, are suspected because it was alleged placed in the box that expiry date is October 29, 2023. But the product itself was placed on October 26, 2023. The product contains manufacturing date which is not easily discernible and misrepresents. Contrary to the terms of the contract, hence the supplier failed to meet the standard of the contract in providing a clear and readable manufacturing date. Sabi ng audit. Dami nito guys, no? So, kayo na lang magbasa, no? Kokomentuhan na natin. So, mga kaibigan, another problem to. Bakit hindi to inayos? Kung titingnan natin, madali lang ayusin to eh. Diba? Ito na mga kaibigan na, yung DepEd Secretary natin noon, walang ginawa kundi mag-mountain climbing, replanting, diba? Pagkatapos, eto pala ang daming problema ng DepEd. See? Ang daming problema ng DepEd. So, anong ginagawa niya? Bakit na-overlook niya itong mga problems na ito? Diba? Diba mga kaibigan? Nakakapagtaka eh. Ito nga lang yung kanyang departamento pero hindi pa niya naayos. Pagkatapos, may gana pa siyang manlait sa ating Pangulo ngayon. At may gana pa siyang mag-fake news na marami daw ngayon nagugutom. May gana pa siyang magsabi na ang gobyerno natin ngayon ay maraming nagugutom. Mga kaibigan, eto nga lang, DepEd nga lang, hindi pa niya kayang tapusin. Hindi pa niya kayang ayusin. Pagkatapos, maghahangad pa siya na maging Pangulo ng buong Pilipinas. Diba? Very ironic na ganito ang nangyari, mga kaibigan, na talagang hindi po niya nagawa ang kanyang trabaho sa DepEd. Diba? Very ironic. Pagkatapos, nangangarap pa siya at ang kanyang mga followers, nangangarap pa sila na maging Pangulo ng Pilipinas, si Sara Duterte. Ito nga lang hindi niya kayang ayusin. Diba? Real talk tayo mga kababayan.